Air Jordan 4 Toro Bravo returns in May 2026, bringing back a bold non-original colorway with refined updates for modern wear. First released in 2013, this version stays true to its identity while improving shape and overall build quality. The upper is constructed from premium nubuck leather, a soft and slightly textured material known for durability and flexibility. It provides structure while maintaining a comfortable feel for everyday use. DPU mesh panels on the sides and tongue enhance airflow, helping keep the foot cool while reducing weight. DPU wing eyelets add stability by improving lace lockdown and foot support. Underfoot, the polyurethane midsole delivers firm cushioning and long-term durability. A visible air unit in the heel absorbs impact, offering reliable comfort during movement. The rubber outsole ensures strong traction across various surfaces. Inside, textile lining and padded areas provide softness and reduce irritation. Overall, this release balances classic style with practical performance benefits.